In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an auto reply in Gmail. This feature can be invaluable when you're away on vacation or unable to check your emails regularly, ensuring that anyone who reaches out knows that you're temporarily unavailable and when they can expect a response. We'll walk through every step so you can easily configure it yourself. First, start by opening Gmail in your preferred web browser and logging into your account, ensuring you're on your primary inbox page. Look towards the top right corner, where you'll spot the gear icon. This is your settings menu, which is where we'll find most of the customization options we need. Click on this icon, and when the drop-down menu appears, select See All Settings. Once you're on the settings page, you'll see various tabs across the top. Navigate to the General tab if it's not already selected by default. This page contains a plethora of options that allow you to personalize your Gmail experience. Scroll down through these options until you locate the section labeled Vacation Responder. In the Vacation Responder section, you'll see an option to turn the auto reply feature on. Go ahead and select Vacation Responder on. This action effectively enables the auto reply feature, but there's still some important information to input before it becomes functional. Next, specify the start and end dates for your auto reply. The start date is mandatory and indicates when your auto reply will begin sending out responses. Simply click on the Start Date field and select your desired starting day from the calendar pop-up. The end date, while optional, is handy for automatically disabling the auto reply feature when you're back and able to respond normally. If you want to use this option, click on the End Date field to choose when you want your auto replies to cease. Now that the time frame is set, it's time to craft the message your contacts will receive in your absence. You need to create an appropriate subject line, as this will be the first thing recipients see. Type a concise and clear subject line, perhaps something like, "Out of office, limited access to email." Below the subject line is where you compose the body of your auto reply. This is your opportunity to inform contacts of your absence and manage their expectations regarding response times. A simple message might include details such as when you plan to return and any alternative contact methods they can use if their query is urgent. Finally, consider checking the option to send responses only to people in your contacts. This added layer of privacy ensures that only trusted contacts receive your absence notification. Once you're satisfied with your setup, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to activate your auto reply. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to setting up your Gmail auto reply system. It's a small but powerful feature that helps maintain professional communication even when you're away. Enjoy your time off knowing your emails are covered.